This class is for those with an intermediate level of technical analysis and already understand the basic concepts of Fibonacci retracements. Fibonacci extensions and projections move beyond the 0 to 1 range of Fibonacci levels. These include famous levels like the 1.618 level, along with other levels above and below the familiar 0 to 1 Fibonacci retracement range. A series of detailed diagrams and examples of charts before, during, and after the application of Fibonacci price analysis will be covered in order to better understand these methods. This class was produced in 2021 and mainly focuses on American stocks. However, it should still be remembered these analysis methods can still generally be applied in other markets and time periods before or after 2021. Examples also include currency and commodity charts. Lastly, Fibonacci will be shortened to Fib for a large portion of the class.